Kaohsiung City in southern Taiwan has natural harbors and wide hinterlands. It has recently become the most developing international seaport and commercial metropolis in Taiwan. If the domestic sewage from high economic growth and heavy population is not properly treated, the living quality will be worsened. Therefore, the functions of city sewer system and sewage treatment plants become quite important. The sewer system in Kaohsiung City uses stormwater and sewage separation system. Rainwater is collected by stormwater sewer system and directly drains to rivers and the sea. Domestic and industrial sewage is collected by underground sewage sewer system, processed in sewage treatment plants, and drains in surface water body. Based on current plan, there are 10 sewage districts from north to the south of Kaohsiung City. Each district has its own sewage collection system and treatment plant. Till year 2013, there are 4 sewage treatment plants in this city: Qijing Central District, Nanzhi Fengshan River, and Dashu. 2 plants are being built, Qimei and Linhai sewage treatment plants. The sewage district in Kaohsiung City is separated into east and west collection systems. West systems collects city central sewage into Chang'an Road main pipe. East system collects suburb sewage and leads to Kaishan Road main pipe. The east and west systems meet in a convergence station in Chang'an Triangle Park. Then it passes Quojian Road main pipe, crosses Kaohsiung Port District, and flows to Central District Sewage Treatment Plant. Central District Sewage Treatment Plant is located in Chongzhou Qijing District. The plant measures 900 by 140 meters. It was completed by the end of 1986 and started to operate on 24th January 1987. The average daily processing capacity is about 55 to 65 cmd at present. Primary treatment is adopted to be sewage treatment method, and effluent drains to the sea from outlet pipe. The whole process separates into 2 parts, sewage and sludge. First, sewage flows into distribution pumping station in the Central District Sewage Treatment Plant. The pumping station is located in 30 meters underground. Sewage is pumped by 5 large pump sets, each in north and south sides, and sent to groundwater tank. Then through procedural pipes in north and south sides, it is led to pretreatment station by gravity. The pretreatment station is the first adoption of double screening method in Taiwan. Stationary screen can remove large trash. Bar filter screen can block floating or soft trash. Then sewage is led to grid aeration separation tank. By stirring air into sewage to separate grid. The settled grid is scrapped by grid scraper at the bottom and disposed. After that, sewage is led to primary settling tank by gravity. The whole primary settling tank has 30 water tanks. They are symmetrically and closely laid out. That was laid on in order to reduce air pollution. Here are some invisible suspended particulates settled down by settlement principle. To remove BOD and SS from sewage. After the separated sludge from settlement is collected by iron scraper and ground by grinding machine, it is conveyed to sludge thickener by sludge pressurizing pump. The separated supernatant liquid gathers in overflow tank. It is led to disinfection pool with gravity method and disinfected. The non-OCI for disinfection is made from seawater, taken with the intake facility in the electrolysis station. Seawater is first grid settled, pressurized with water pump. and sent to electrolyzer facilities. The channels in disinfection pool are designed in a roundabout way to increase contact time and achieve effective disinfection. On the other hand, the treated effluent is led to drainage pumping station by gravity. After the pressurization of drainage pump sets and regulation of surge tank, it drains and diffuses to the sea from outlet pipe. Surge tank's main function is to regulate the pressure of outlet pipe in time. When the pressure of outlet pipe is too high, outlet pipe is a steel tube buried beneath seabed. The entire pipeline has calcific protection in order to extend its lifespan. Near the outlet pipes, 5 permanent warming buoys are also set up to level and warm the surrounding water areas. Next part is sludge. After being collected and pumped to thickener, sludge is compacted and concentrated. Then it is sent to dewatered to separate solid and liquid and become sludge cakes and separated liquid. Separated liquid is collected and sent back to sewage treatment system. Sludge cakes are sent to a sludge holding tank by screw conveyor at the bottom and periodically transported to the incineration plant for burning. The dewatering machine uses bell filtering method in this plant in order to increase dewatering efficiency. Polymer is added in the sludge for adjustment. The sludge sewage treatment plant needs a control hub, which is Central Monitoring System (PMC). Real-time information can always be obtained, and operational status of the whole plant facilities is monitored. In order to achieve overall control, this plant has dual-loop power supply systems and emergency generators to ensure operation without blackouts. Because of increasing difficulty of water resources development, this plant uses membrane bioreactor (MBR) and reverse osmosis systems (RO) to recycle and reuse water resources. We take energy saving, emission reduction, and environment sustainable development as the premise, using adequate sunlight and open terrain characteristics in Chichen area. Photovoltaic system is set up on the existing building roofs to achieve green power efficiency. At present, the capacity of photovoltaic system is about 58 kilowatt. Water is the precious resource of the earth. Through sewage sewer treatment, we look forward to establishing a sound water circulation system to make us and future generations be able to enjoy clean water resource. We shall work together to improve our living environmental hygiene and create a comfortable modern living space.